TAWS system test. OK.
.31. Contact ground control IFR clearance is advised on initial contact. Your information Charlie. Austin executive information Charlie. 1755 observation, wind 030 at 6, visibility 10. Ceiling 1000 overcast, temperature 902.7, altimeter 3031. Expect RNAV approach runway 31. Contact ground control IFR clearance is advised on initial contact. Your information Charlie.
Ground 408 Delta Hotel, we got Charlie looking for IFR to San Antonio.
TBM 408 Delta Hotel, executive ground clear to San Antonio, via the Bandido to departure as filed. Maintain 3,000, expect 6,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 127.22, squawk 4673.
And ground 408 Delta Hotel is ready to taxi with Charlie.
TBM 8 Delta Hotel, runway 31, taxi via Alpha.
31 via Alpha 8 Delta Hotel. Runway heading clear for takeoff 31 8 Delta Hotel. They got positive rate, no more runway, here comes the gear. Laps. Flight level change. All's in.
TBM 8 Delta Hotel, contact departure, great flight.
Going to departure 8 Delta Hotel, thanks.
Approach 335 Foxtrot out of 16,000 on the Susie with uniform.
335 Foxtrot, Austin approach, runway 35 right.
Roger, 35 right.
Austin departure, TBM 408 Delta Hotel, 1,700, climbing 3,000, heading 310.
TBM 408 Delta Hotel, Austin departure, right, and altimeter 3025. Mary Delta Hotel, radar contact 2 miles northwest of the executive airport, 1,800, climb, maintain 8,000, fly heading at 260.
8,000, heading 260, 8 Delta Hotel.
Cessna 13 Juliet, turn right heading 170.
San Antonio approach 408 Delta Hotel, 8,000 with Bravo.
408 Delta Hotel, Center approach, roger. Bravo's current, expect the ILS runway 4 approach.
Expect the ILS 48 Delta Hotel.
November 8 Delta Hotel, descend and maintain 6,000. Clear to San Antonio VOR, then depart to VOR heading 210 for the downwind.
Alright, down to 6,000, clear to the VOR, then depart VOR heading 2108 Delta Hotel.
November 8 Delta Hotel, contact approach on 125.7, have a good day.
125.7, 8 Delta Hotel, thanks.
Okay, I'm sorry, I was making an amendment there. Who was that they call?
408 Delta Hotel, we're 6,000, heading 210 with Bravo.
Number 408 Delta Hotel, thank you. Turn 10 degrees right, descend and maintain 4,000.
10 right, 4,000, 8 Delta Hotel.
Edge at 639, contact tower.
At 639, have a good day.
Tape. November 0 Delta Hotel, correction, November 8 Delta Hotel, descend and maintain 3,500.
Down to 3,500, 408 Delta Hotel.
November 1 Lima Papa, turn 10 degrees right, descend and maintain 3,500. November 8 Delta Hotel, turn left heading 150.
Left to 1508 Delta Hotel.
November 8 Delta Hotel, turn left heading 100.
Left 1008 Delta Hotel.
November 8 Delta Hotel, you're a mile from Resoc. Turn left heading 080, maintain 3,500 till established on the localizer cleared ILS runway 4 approach.
Alright, 080, 3,500 till established, cleared ILS 48 Delta Hotel.
November 8 Delta Hotel, contact tower.
Go to Tower 8 Delta Hotel. San Antonio Tower, TBM 408 Delta Hotel is on the ILS 4.
408 Delta Hotel, San Antonio Tower, wind 310 at 4. Runway 4, clear to land. Everyone's been breaking out about 500 above.
Clear to land, runway 48 Delta Hotel. Main inertia separator, collapse, autocon left to go. Lights. 103 green.
500.
San Antonio Tower, citation still Lima Papa, inbound ILS runway 4.
Number 7 Lima Papa, San Antonio Tower, wind 330 at 4. Everyone looks like breaking out about 500 above, runway 5.
Airspeed.
Clear to land runway 4, citation still Lima Papa.
Number 408 Delta Hotel, where are you parking?
Going to Cutter, 8 Delta Hotel.
408 Delta Hotel, left on Romeo, ground point 9er.
Left on Romeo, ground point 9er, 8 Delta Hotel.
Stall.